Alex, are you done with your homework?
Not yet, Mom. I'll finish it after breakfast.
You said the same thing yesterday. Why are you delaying it?
I'm not delaying it. I just got distracted.
Distracted. By what?
My phone. I was watching some videos.
Alex, you know that homework comes first.
I know, Mom. I'll finish it, I promise.
Okay, but no more delays. What homework do you have?
I have math problems and an English essay to write.
Math problems. Do you need help with them?
Maybe. Fractions are a bit confusing.
Alright, after breakfast, bring your math book. I'll help you.
Thanks, Mom.
What's your essay topic?
It's about my favorite hobby.
That sounds fun. What hobby will you write about?
Playing football. I love playing with my friends.
That's a good topic. You can write about how it helps you stay fit.
And how it's fun and teaches teamwork.
Exactly. See, you already have great ideas. Writing it will be easy.
I hope so.
Alex, did you clean your room yesterday?
Not really. I forgot.
Alex, you need to take responsibility for your things.
I know, Mom. I'll clean it today, I promise.
But your room is your space. You should keep it tidy.
I will.
Also, your dad wants to take you to the park later.
Really? That sounds great.
Yes, but only after your homework and chores are done.
Got it. Homework first, then cleaning, then part-time.
That's the plan. What will you do at the park?
Maybe play football or ride my bike.
That sounds like fun. Don't forget to wear your helmet while biking.
I won't, Mom. Safety first.
Good boy. By the way, do you need anything for school tomorrow?
I need some new notebooks.
Alright, I'll buy them today. Anything else?
No, just the notebooks.
Bae, breakfast is ready. Let's eat.
Yum, pancakes. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Let's sit and eat together.
Can I have extra syrup?
Sure, but don't put too much.
Don't worry. I won't.
Alright. Now enjoy your pancakes.
I will. Thanks again, Mom.